Hemp and cannabis industry regulations are here and will continue to evolve. Our products have the flexibility to meet your needs now and into the future.
AMI Reiner is the global leader in handheld and inline inkjet solutions for the hemp, CBD, and cannabis industries.
Our HP cartridge-based solutions are perfect for keeping up with packaging, labeling, and marking and coding regulations in the rapidly evolving hemp, CBD, and cannabis arena.
CBD and hemp companies will benefit from these versatile inkjet solutions.
Our solutions are perfect for adding barcodes and lot codes, track and trace, CBD and THC content, harvest information, strain information, expiration dates, and any other variable data necessary for your packaging.
No matter what type of packaging you have, including tincture bottles, jars, tubes, boxes, pouches, one of our Reiner handheld products can meet your needs.
Our printers increase speed, accuracy, and efficiency in any environment, including processing labs, dispensaries, grow facilities, and warehouses.
Imprints in all of our printers are completely customizable. No matter what state you are in or regulation you need to meet, our printers are the perfect solution. Don't ruin your beautiful packaging and branding with unsightly and hard-to-read labels. Our handheld inkjet systems print high-resolution graphics directly on your product surfaces.
Our high-quality German-made printers are a robust solution to connect to ERP systems, databases, as well as track and trace software. We are setting the standard for marking and coding solutions in the hemp, CBD, and cannabis industries.